Welcome back to Future Cars Updates. Today we're diving into one of the most luxurious and surprising creations in the automotive world, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Cadillac, a brand famous for luxury sedans and SUVs, has stepped into the world of motorhomes, and they've done it with serious style and cutting-edge technology. From the outside, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome looks like a futuristic yacht on wheels. It features a sleek, aerodynamic body with Cadillac's signature LED lighting design and a bold front grille. The body is sculpted with smooth, flowing lines that make it stand out from traditional RVs. Large panoramic windows run along the sides, giving it an elegant presence while also offering breathtaking views from the inside. Under the hood, or should we say under the chassis, this motorhome is powered by an all-electric drivetrain. Cadillac is part of General Motors, and it's no surprise that they've used the Ultium battery platform here. The motorhome offers an impressive range of up to 400 miles on a single charge. It also supports fast charging, allowing you to get back on the road quickly. Smooth, silent, and eco-friendly, this motorhome proves that sustainability and luxury can go hand in hand. Step inside, and you enter a world of pure luxury. The interior feels like a five-star suite. High-quality materials such as real wood, brushed aluminum, and fine leather are used throughout. The living area features a lounge with a smart entertainment system, reclining leather seats, ambient lighting, and even a fireplace option for that cozy high-end vibe. The tech integration is next level, with everything controlled by touchscreens or voice commands. Lights, climate, entertainment, and even the motorhome's driving settings. There's a fully equipped kitchen with state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, convection oven, and a smart fridge. Cadillac didn't forget the essentials for long road trips: ample storage space, a luxurious bathroom with a rainfall shower, and a master bedroom with a queen-size memory foam bed and a retractable TV. But what truly sets the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome apart is the driving experience. Thanks to advanced driver assist systems like Super Cruise, this motorhome can semi-autonomously drive on highways, making long-distance travel easier than ever. There are also multiple cameras and sensors for 360-degree awareness, parking assist, and even trailer connectivity features for those who need to tow extra gear. In terms of connectivity, Cadillac's motorhome includes built-in 5G, satellite, internet, and seamless integration with smart home systems. You can literally control your home from your motorhome, or vice versa. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a luxury lifestyle on wheels, offering freedom, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, this motorhome changes the game for luxury travel. Thanks for watching Future Cars Updates. Let us know in the comments, would you travel the world in a Cadillac motorhome? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic vehicle updates.